Today I'm going to show you how you can easily make an airdrop on Binance Smart Chain without coding to any amount of wallets you want and in the most efficient way. Let's go directly to the process. So for doing our airdrop, we are going to use this tool you are seeing here, Binance Multisender, which is basically a tool where we can put the token we want to airdrop. It can be BNB itself or any other token. We put the addresses we want here, basically the address that will receive the token we are airdropping, and then we just need to set the quantity, click, and done. So first of all, in case you don't know, in case you wanna make an airdrop to holders of your existing token or of any NFT or whatever, you also have this tool you're seeing here, Binance Snapshot token holder, or NFT holders, where you can put a token address and then you will get the list of holders of that token. As this is just a simple tutorial, I will make it with random addresses. In this case, I will download the example, because if you want, you can put them manually here, or you can directly upload a CSV. In this case, I'm going to upload this CSV, and these are the addresses where we will be airdropping. In this case, I'm going to airdrop this random token I got here, water. I created it on another tutorial. So we go to BST scan to copy the address, we copy it here, paste it, perfect. Now we can also select to actually send a different amount to each of these wallets. So let's say you want to airdrop 20 tokens to a certain address and then 5 to the rest of addresses. You can put here different, and then you can input the amount here as well. In this case, I'm going to just put 10 tokens per wallet. Here we go. And we will be ready to connect our wallet. We connect our wallet. And then we just need to click on Start Airdrop. The total cost will be 0.005 BNB, including, and then the gas, and we will be airdropping 15 tokens, 50 tokens of water, the token we have put here, to a total amount of 5 wallets. We click on Start Airdrop, we will see the transaction, confirm, perfect. And then we have here another transaction where we are actually making the airdrop itself. So we click on confirm. There we go. We got airdrop succeed. So now if we go to BSC scan with the address we are making the airdrop with, we will see that we sent 2 transactions, the approved and the other one. And in here, we can see that we send the funds from here to here. And then this smart contract, which is the one of the tool, distribute the tokens to the rest of addresses. So this is how easily you can make your own airdrop. If you want to learn how to launch and manage tokens, this is your channel. Subscribe, like, and so on. See you in the next one. Bye.